Paul, Big Paul's Trucking. Well, back at you. It's been a busy week again. Today, I think Thursday. We're nearing the end of the week, but I wanted to get you guys going, bring you up to speed what we're working on. Now, my son, Paul, he's out of town, but while he's out of town, I wanted to show you this. We pulled all 8. Check that out, guys. It's pretty cool. All 8 of those tires, rims and tires, and the spacers, 4 spacers, 8 rims. He dismounted everything. I taught him to do that when he was 10 years old. These Dayton wheels, you know, we took them apart, the wedges, all that. So we're going to paint the bits, and he's getting the rims sandblasted and painted. So I wanted you guys to, you know, check this out. All right, you guys, check this out. We got these rims back from the sandblaster. Sandblasted and primed. They look pretty good, huh? So we scuffed them down and getting them ready to paint. I think they did a great job. These were some, they weren't rusty. They just had a lot of layers of paint on them. So we're going to get them up painted and get them on the truck, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're painting the rims for the Cabover, for Paul's Cabover. Check out that color. It's only the first coat. Don't be judgmental. These were sandblasted, primed. Now we're putting on Paul's favorite color. It's gonna be beautiful. And then my buddy Dave over there under the tarp gave us 8 virgin tires off his truck. Pretty good tread still. So we're gonna be setting that International up. Pretty cool, guys. Thanks for watching. Everybody, it's Big Paul. Welcome back. Another exciting episode. Big Paul's Trucking. Well, check it out, you guys. We got you a couple pictures along the way, but this is for Paul Jr.'s International 1983 9670. Yeah. I think we might have gone a little above and beyond. No. Painting these wheels, but you guys gotta check this out. We got a ray of sunlight. Look at this blue. Teal, blue, green. Ooh, it is beautiful. They're all drying. Wait till we mount the tires on it. Hopefully don't scratch them too bad. Look at that. Turned out great. So we're real happy with that. They all come out nice. Look at that. As it dries, it's kind of laying down nice. Single stage paint. No need to clear coat. Check that out. Wow. Summit Racing. Summit Racing, yep. Shipped it, had it here in one day. Yeah. This is stock paint, not a special mix, so we can get plenty more. Awesome. Can't wait to mount the tires. All right, you guys, welcome back. Big Paul, Big Paul's Trucking. Hey, like and subscribe. Now's the time. Listen, I want to bring you up to date. We're working on the Cabover, my son's, in the rain because we got to get it done, but I want to show you what we're doing. Let's check this out. We got some wheels mounted. Aired up, new valve stems. Check that out. It turned out nice. Those are going to be some insides. Those are the donated tires. They're good enough. They're virgins. They're not going to explode. They're only 2 years old. But all the rest of these aired up. So we're going to go ahead and throw, I mean, they do look good. I'm going to go ahead and throw a couple of them on. Let you guys watch, and then we're going to set up a time lapse. Pretty cool, guys. Gonna look good on that truck. I can't wait to see it. Now check this out. My son opted to paint the wedges and the nuts gold. Those are going to offset that blue and silver pretty good. Remember, the hubs are silver. So, all right, we're going to get the camera set up. You guys can watch. The wheel spacer. All right, guys, here we are. Welcome back. We're going to get the first one on you. Let's do this one. It'll be easier to see. Yeah. And,
I know how it's
Got all the blacks already painted. So that looks good. And I won't ruin the bag. We'll probably reuse those.
Yeah.
Oh, the paint looks good. Well, first step, put the inside wheel in. Spacer, then the outside wheel. Let's roll inside over here, Paul. We need that tire bar. I'll get it.
Oh yeah, it's leaning up against the wall.
And you roll over there, get it ready.
Hold on.
Go ahead. Okay, well, first thing you got to do is you got to look where your valve comes to a fall. Hold on, let me look for it. See, this is good. It's kind of in a good spot right in the middle between the two of them. We can move it around a little bit, but we don't really want to.
The jacket, so I did it.
Kind of. 1 second, I'm gonna look at it. Yeah, that's good. I want to move just a little bit. I don't want to do it up on the hub.
We'll do this one.
That looks good. Oh, he needed the rain. It's done.
Their first market character.
Well, that's just the way it is. I mean, it's a. I don't know if it will be the video, actually.
Let me go get a jack handle. Where'd our jack sag?
For what?
The jack is sagging a little bit, I think. Look like
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, it's just, you're probably right.
It's barely off the ground.
That gives you an idea, boy. That blue or that teal green and that silver looks good.
Yeah, it does. That was a good
Yeah,
choice.
get us a little more height. What about the red handles?
I know, this is nice.
Oh, I don't really fit in there. That's good. It's off the ground.
That looks
Get a space. Okay. Put it on. Look at the valve. Look at the valve stem. Looks pretty good too. Yeah, next time you want to make sure you go close to the line. It won't hurt. It's supposed to put that. Huh? But I've seen them where they run a hole in the side of the stem. Yeah, no rubber like that. So the other ones you might want to check your alignment. Yeah, grab an outside one. It don't matter on the outside, it just matters on the inside ones. Oh yeah, dude, that looks good. If you keep it clean, it's gonna look sweet.
well, it's not like I'm gonna be driving.
I know.
On the top side.
I know. Trust me, you don't want
It's gonna get that. Man, it looks so good.
Dayton wheels, Paul, I always put the valve stems in the same location. So when you're airing up, you don't have to go 180 off. So right there. You know what I mean? If I put them in the same spot, look where I'm saying.
Yeah, in the same place.
Yeah, so that way they. On the other wheels, I put them 180 off, but not on the.
So good.
Okay. All right. Those are sweet. Okay. We'll do the nuts. He's got 5 spokes or 6. It might be a shame to put a hubcap on it.
The gold is such a good thing. I'm standing there looking at the gold paint for that, and I'm like, I'm at least buying a can of it. I was like, you know what? Even if I need it, I'm gonna really find good. Got some paint on this road.
Man, that looks pretty good. Get the camera. Guys, you gotta check this out. All this work might have been worth it.
Exactly how I envisioned it.
Check it out, you guys. Look at where we're at. Whoo-wee! Look at that. Wait till that cabby's got all them looking good. It even kind of matches the white and the aluminum tank. Awesome. All right, guys, we're gonna set up a time lapse. Let me get in close. You can see that. Wow. A little bit of hard work, a little sandblasting, a little paint. You too could restore Cabover. All right, guys, we're gonna set up a time lapse. Thanks for watching.
Project's done.
All right, y'all, here we are. Big Paul's Trucking. Like and subscribe. Now's the time. Now listen, we're finally getting somewhere. Check this truck out. All 8 of the wheels, painted. Hubs, painted. Lug nuts, painted. Wedges, painted. I think it looks pretty darn good. We got those 8 tires from my buddy Dave. We're actually going to take it for a ride. Because I'd like to drive it with all the weight back there, you know, like it's supposed to be. Look how good that looks, guys. Pretty happy about this. We worked on this. It's been about a 2 or 3 week project, I would say. And boy, look at this. Turned out sharp. Now we're going to get this front axle or this front, wheels done and the hub to match. So it's going to be, silver and blue. So that black look will be gone. It's going to have that bright look. Beautiful. Alright guys, we're going to start this thing up. Now the rear cross member, don't judge, is still out. But we're going to take it for a little ride. We have a custom 4-inch tubing going to go across the top up here. Then we're going to put a nice hitch we can make back here. We might be able to just use that hitch for sled pulling. But mostly it's going to be for camper pulling. So, alright you guys, we're going to start it up. Alright guys. Bro. Look. Man, look at those wheels. Oh my gosh. They look better in person. Diggity, we get some armor all on them tires, get that cleaned up. Looking good. It was worth the work. All right, guys. Big Paul's Trucking back at you. check this truck out. We just got back. We took it for a ride. We didn't want any witnesses, so we didn't video anything. Paul drove back, so he did real good, getting used to shifting it. Look at those wheels. When them front wheels are done, it's going to be on point. Needs to get a chrome stack now. I think the plan is, guys, we're going to paint the cab the same color as the wheels now. That cab will pop. Can you imagine that thing being that color? Next week, the plan is we're going to work on putting this hitch and this rear cross member and the square tubing I got all together. Put a drop hitch, receiver, pintle, wire it, new taillights. That last ride, Paul, no taillights.
Yeah, I know.
But we did, even when they were on there, they didn't work, guys. So it's okay. But I wanted you guys to check it out. Let me give you a little more.
It's gonna look real good. I got nice.
Look at that in the center of the wheels.
International Harvester mud flaps.
It is coming together. Yep, get the mud flaps.
Wait till you see it with the mud flaps
Get the
on.
tail lights on. Back of the truck needs a little bit more tidying up, but we're gonna get there.
Oh yeah.
But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. And as usual, Big Paul's, we're out.
Out.